Former Governor of Kogi State, Yahaya Bello, has pleaded not guilty to the charges of money laundering against him by the EFCC. An FCT High Court sitting in Maitama remanded the former governor in the custody of the EFCC till 10th of December. Celestine Aria reports.
Ahead of the arraignment, security at the FCT High Court was beefed up. The case is before Justice Marian Aneni, and court was full to its capacity with lawyers, journalists, operatives of the EFCC and supporters of the former governor. The former governor was arraigned alongside two others. They are Umar Oricha and Abdulsalami Hudu. They pleaded not guilty to the 16-count charge of money laundering. After they took their plea, the EFCC immediately moved for trial to commence and is ready to call its first witness. Counsel to Mr. Bello, Joseph Daodu, argued that they were served with a charge at 11 p.m. on 26 November and he would need time to prepare his client. A bail application dated 22nd November, predicated on 6 grounds, has been filed. Mr. Bello submitted through his counsel that his presence in court is in obedience to the summons issued on him. It is stated law in the country that the defendant is innocent until proven guilty. It is within his rights to enjoy his liberty while preparing for trial. The prosecution objection is based on the fact that he is facing charges at the Federal High Court and has refused to appear to take his plea. Also, that the court should not use issues from another court to determine issues before the FCT High Court. Objecting to the submissions of Mr. Bello, counsel to the EFCC Kemi Pinero held that his preliminary objection is anchored on 3 grounds. First, the competence of the bail application, and the factual content of the bail application, and lastly, the application of judicial principles and guidance to the bail application. The FCT High Court can only assume jurisdiction upon the arraignment of the defendants. The bail application was filed on 22nd November and the defendant's arraignment took place on 27th November. It is only after arraignment that the bail application can arise and be heard. The counsel to the second and third defendants also moved the application for bail, which was objected by the EFCC, irrespective of them enjoying administrative bail earlier granted them by the Commission. Justice Aneni, in a short ruling, reminded them in the custody of the EFCC and adjourned to 10th December for ruling on their bail applications. The former governor of Kogi State, Yahaya Bello, is also expected to be arraigned before Justice Emeka Awete of the Federal High Court in Abuja on a 19-count charge of money laundering to the tune of 80 billion naira. The court had adjourned to January for ruling on whether to try Mr. Bello in absentia and enter a plea of not guilty on his behalf due to his absence from court. Celestina Iria, TVC News, Abuja.